In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Copilot from Taskbar in Windows 11. So what you want to do is once you're on your desktop, you want to go down here into search and type in Taskbar, Settings, okay? And then click on the first thing that pops up. And once you're in here, if you're in the correct region where Copilot, so the Windows Copilot is currently available, you are going to be able to see your Copilot over here, okay? But it's currently in preview and is only available in select markets, in select regions. So as you can see, I don't currently have it, but if you have it and you are annoyed with it down here in the taskbar, here is where you disable it. So as you can see, it says on for task view and widgets for me, and these are the only two things I have, despite from the search box, of course. But you may also have the Copilot, and if you have it, you simply click on off next to it. So you just click and it turns it off just like this, okay? And there we go. Your Copilot has been removed and it's no longer going to be bothering you.